Outdoor lighting installation is essential for creating a welcoming and safe environment for both residential and commercial properties. Our outdoor lighting specialists in Plano, Texas, offer a wide range of services, including custom outdoor lighting consultation, and outdoor lighting maintenance. Whether you need outdoor lighting upgrades or outdoor lighting repair, our team is here to help. Patio lighting solutions are a must for homeowners looking to enjoy their outdoor spaces year-round. Our patio string lights in Plano are designed to withstand the elements, offering weatherproof outdoor lights that are both durable and stylish. From festoon lighting setup to deck lighting services, we have the perfect solution for your patio lighting needs. Outdoor Bistro Cafe Lights Plano design is a popular choice for those looking to enhance their outdoor dining experience. Our cafe lighting services in Plano provide beautiful and functional solutions, such as LED cafe lights and decorative string lights. These energy-efficient lighting options are perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any outdoor setting. Garden illumination is an art form that requires expertise and creativity. Our garden lighting services in Plano, Texas include landscape lighting and ambient outdoor lights that highlight the natural beauty of your garden. With our custom lighting Plano TX options, you can create a stunning outdoor oasis that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Outdoor Bistro Cafe Lights Plano is a great way to add charm and character to any cafe business outdoor space. Our festoon lighting setup services include everything from design to installation, ensuring that your outdoor area is beautifully lit. Whether you're hosting an outdoor party or simply enjoying a quiet evening, our outdoor party lights in Plano will set the perfect mood. Deck lighting services in Plano TX are essential for enhancing the safety and ambiance of your outdoor deck. Our deck lighting Plano TX solutions include energy-efficient lights and weatherproof options that are perfect for any outdoor setting. With our outdoor lighting experts in Plano, you can enjoy your deck day or night. Outdoor Bistro Cafe Lights Plano are a popular choice for both residential and commercial outdoor lighting. Our Outdoor Bistro Cafe Lights Plano services offer energy-efficient lighting options that are perfect for cafes, bistros, and outdoor dining areas. With our Outdoor Dining Lights Plano solutions, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space.